Hello everyone, this is Amir from FRAMINGSTOry. Today I will do a Moody color effect. This is really cool. This works against a bright photo and dark photo. We'll see it in a few minutes. Now we'll do our part. First we'll just copy the background layer, just simply Ctrl and J. Next we'll go to filter, camera raw filter. We'll do most of the task here. We'll work panel by panel. First we'll work with basic panel, next we'll go gradually. From basic panel I will do some contrast. I will reduce the highlight. I will add some shadow, white, black, minus black, and I will reduce the saturation around 30 or 25, something like this. Okay. Next we'll go to curve tone. From here I will work with blue tone. I will just add some matte effect here for blue. Next we'll go to RGB. I will do the same. Next we'll go to detail. From here I will add some sharpening and luminance. Next I'll go to HSL adjustment panel. From here I work with hue, saturation and luminance. At first I will work with saturation. Here I will add some red around 25 to 30. Next I will add some orange. Orange basically related to skin. Next I will add some yellow. I'll reduce aqua and green also. So we are almost getting a mood effect, but we'll do some other thing also. Now I'll go to hue. Here we will reduce. Here I will add orange around 20. I will reduce yellow around 20 or 25. Next I'll go to blue. I will make it around minus 30. So we are getting the outer blue. Next we'll go to luminance. Here we'll develop the skin color and we'll reduce the red little bit, and we'll add some yellow. Next we'll go to aqua. We'll make it around minus 60 or 70. We'll reduce the blue also. So dramatically it changed. Next we'll go to split toning. We don't have anything here. Now we'll add some vignetting from here. Then okay. Now we'll go to color calibration. Here we have to do few things, like first we'll work with red. We'll put red around plus 30 and saturation like this. Next we'll go to green panel. We'll add around 20 and saturation around 5 or 6. Now we'll work with blue. We'll make it around -40 and saturation will be -30 or something like this. I think red is too much, and we can reduce some red saturation here. So we have got our Moody effect here. If you think your face is little bit dark, you can add some light from here. I think +10 will be okay. Now we'll go to our main panel. This is really cool. Now we'll see before and after effect. This is before, this is after. In a few minutes, this is really dramatic change, and this is the Moody color effect. It was a daylight or bright photo. It works very good against it. Now we'll check with other photo, which is dark tone. I already made this action for you, and I will provide the action download link for you. You can use it. Now we'll check with this down or low light photo. This is really cool. In a minute we will get a really Moody color effect. Let's see before and after. This is really cool. Please like the video to support us. For this kind of tutorial, stay with us. Thank you for watching. See you in next tutorial.